Alright guys, I'm going to show you how to do 2017 paper 2. Right. So I've extracted my source file, 2017 March paper. So just open it. Paper 2. Right. You will do some work for the wood store, a company that makes wooden furniture. You are going to perform a task for this company. Task 1, evidence document. So open this file. So we're going to open it here. Place in the header your name, center number, and candidate number so that this will appear on every pages. So header, and didn't save which part. So you just go ahead, put on the left, up to you actually. Save your evidence document in your work area. So save back in your source folder just now. Press already in the folder with a specific name. Evidence followed by a candidate number. And then you need to save this. Although they didn't say here that save it in the software you're using, please make it into a practice to save it in the software you're using. Just click save and leave it open. Ctrl S. Okay. Presentation. So we were gonna skip presentation. Do presentation later. We're gonna focus on document first because that's what we are doing in class now. So you're going to edit a newsletter about the wood store company's projects. Using a suitable software package, load the file wood store. Okay. Set the page size to A4. All the layout. You can do it here one shot. Paper, we want A4. I clicked A, so it jumped to all the alphabet that starts with A. A4 orientation is portrait, and then margin top is 3.5, and then all the other margin is 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter. Double check. Okay. Okay. That's your evidence 1. So for evidence 1, we're gonna take this picture. If you don't want the bottom part, you can crop it later. You edit your evidence file later on if you have time. Okay? Don't spend too much time beautifying it. Complete the task first. Once you paste an evidence, save the file. Okay, save the newsletter with a new name. So we're going to change to a new name. To be on the safe side, just remove the numbers and leave it as this. And then in the format of the software you are using, this is the key. Alright, so you need to save it as, because if you are using Microsoft Word, you're going to save it as Word document. Save. Then place in the evidence document a screenshot to show the file. This file has been saved, past tense. So you cannot take a screenshot of the process of saving it. So your screenshot should look like this. You can take the whole folder or you can take the screenshot. And push it down. I press Ctrl and Enter to break page. That's the shortcut. Okay, place in the header your name, and then we got image here for more than one element. we're gonna do header on the left. We have nothing on the middle, so delete it. Then we're gonna insert picture. Size the image to 3 centimeter high. Enter. When they say maintain aspect to ratio, don't touch the width. Leave it as it is. And here they didn't talk about any wrap tags. So I'm just going to leave it like this first. Okay. So we are done with the header. Then please in the footer automated file path, the right align. So footer, only one element, so you just straight and put right align. Then file path will have file name, so no need to put two. So now everything is right aligned. So make sure all the margins, all the header and footer aligned to the margin, no extra. Okay, looks good. And display on every page. So yeah. Okay. But if you want bugging you can try to put later, we cross check the marking scheme whether they accept or not, but they just want it to be on the right. But if we do like this, it goes down. So better leave it. Save, escape. Okay. Next, create the following paragraph styles. Okay. Based on pretty normal. Change the name to WS title, and then sans serif, so that means it's Arial. That is point. Right align, no enhancement, single spacing. Before and after you can cross check here. 0. Okay, this is title. We're done. But just now we didn't check what was this. So I press Ctrl Z, so it is no spacing. Later we click back, no spacing. Ctrl Y, then only our WS title will reappear. Again, another one. So this is WS. We're done. So far we are done with this 3. Okay, so we're gonna do body. Once I put in a value, I either press enter or tab. This one we're gonna put back no space in this now. That's why. Was the original. Save everything. Place in your evidence to show all the settings for the WS body style only. Body style only, yeah. So don't put screenshot of everything. You will lose mark. Cross check first. So it is serif times 2 Romans 12 and then justified, correct? No enhancement, single spacing. I can see from here. Before is 0, after is 12. After is 12, it will from here. Yeah. Okay. So just take a screenshot of this. That's okay. And paste it on your evidence tree. Okay. Enter the title, the wood store, the start of the document. Apply WS title. Okay. Then below the title, enter, sort by, then add your name. Okay. Then apply WS subtitle. Just put a cursor here. Then subtitle. Okay. You can cross check here. Is it right align title or subtitle? It should be center. And underline. We didn't put underline just now. I messed up. So don't worry. Just modify and underline. Okay, good to go. And then after the subtitle text, format the rest of the document into 2 columns. After the subtitle, the rest of the document. Put your cursor here, Control Shift arrow down until the end. To the end, we're gonna make it into 2 columns. Layout, column, more columns, 2 columns with equal width of 1 centimeter space between. 1 centimeter. Press OK. Alright, so it looks normal. Okay, apply WS body to this text. So we're gonna apply, it's highlighted everything. WS body. Done. Identify 9 subheading in the document and apply WS subhead for each one. So I can see this one is 1. Okay, subhead 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, save. We're done until here. Next, so we're gonna do this. Place the content of the file this as a table. So we're gonna open this one first. See what we have here. Exhibit. Okay, we have a table here. Immediately after the paragraph that ends with this. So first locate this paragraph, this sentence, or this phrase. So add some currently blank. Where are you? Control F again. Okay, here. So we have located. All we need to do is we're gonna copy this table, Control C, and they say immediately after this, enter, paste. Then we don't need this anymore. Okay, you can close this. It becomes small because we put it in 2 columns, so they need to fit into the column width. Okay, apply WS table style on this text. So WS table is here. Okay, then merge the cells in the first row. I think I better turn on the highlighter. Merge the cells of the first row. Put a cursor. You cannot see. Never mind. I use my keyboard. Shift and then arrow right. So I highlighted the first row. We're gonna merge. Go to layout. Merge cell. Make the first row text only centered and bold. So the first row to be bold and center. That's it. Then make sure the words are not split and text is wrapped. Okay, that's it. You highlight. It's difficult, you just add some border. Later you remove and then put outer border on it. So there's no split word. Everything looks okay. Make sure all the borders and grid lines are displayed. So just now it was just outer layer, it doesn't have all the borders. Now we have all the borders, so it's good to go. I didn't say to make it center, like vertically center. So we just leave it first. Alright. You only do what they ask us to do. Next, format the wood store catalog table. So I found a table here, this table. So that it matches the formatting of the exhibition table. That means we're gonna follow exactly what they ask us to do here. Which we're gonna start from here until down. Okay, so first apply the style. Select the table, apply the style. Next, merge the first row. Make it center and bold. Okay, then make sure there's no text split. Okay, all looks good. Text split means like this. Just show example. Now, Control Y. Like settle right, E should be together with the L. But let's say not enough space, so E goes down. So the word is split. Okay, where the text is wrapped, looks good. And then make sure all the borders and grid lines are there. Okay, both have the same format now. So we are done with this. Next, spell check and proofread your document. So spell check is review spelling. Spelling. Flora. Land. Never mind, it's a place name, so we're not going to change this. We're not going to change this. Okay. Okay, make sure the spacing is consistent. So I'm just going to see through. All okay. Alright. You can even click on this to check. Okay. Here, there's only one enter between the subhead and the content, and also between the paragraphs. There's no extra spacing. So make sure there's no extra. Unless something weird, then we're going to push things down. Like in this case, the table is split. We cannot have any split table here. There is no split table doing offered. So what we are going to do is, we're going to push this entire thing down. You can just go to layout and then break next column. So now it looks nice. Okay, save. Then all items are placed within the margin. Yeah, no blank pages, everything looks okay. So, Control S, then print. Control P for print. We're gonna use PDF now. During exam, you choose the correct printer. Check before you print, see all okay. Okay, so all, and export. This is how mine look like, but might be wrong, so we check with answer scheme. Just compare. Hey, delete text run. Although that instruction was not given, but let's see mark was given or not. Okay, left align, our header is left align, personal details, image is on the right. So 2 marks there already. Okay, it doesn't matter if you wrap or not.